Ulat ka sarkar jala UCH Vijay Shankar menta kasngi ulahyar shakashnong Umiam hari bhoi bat kata ka long malet Jurip ek dispensary ke badan hakati kashnong bat hakati ke jinglet Jurip ka jong u ula sam da ki so ki bala thap haki shang shiki longkmie ki ba armet bat ula samru ki tiar sok poi bnai shiki kenthe ki brang shuki samla kati ke jinglet Jurip jong ulat jong ka jalai kati ke dispensary kalongkum shibanta bani snok tilang bat ka swat shnari sashat parivar abhiyan kabalongkum ka jingila pa ne ka campaign baka sarkar India kalas dang nadu ka khatnyo trek manta ubanai bat ka ban sakut no ha ka ar trek ka ubanai ban sawan bat ya kani ka campaign na pelong hakleng ki banta jong kari ha ka baga jingtmu kalong ban pin khlan ni ka kot ka khya na ka banta ki riu kan thei kata nadu ki badang ret ki bala samla bat khamtam e na ka banta ki tu ki ba armet hakini kasngi ba ulat ka jala ulahyar shakti ka dispensary ka badan ha Umiam la sakhi da ka jingdon lang u Abhilash Baranwal u deputy commissioner kari bhoi u AR Marak u district medical and health officer u Raja Brahma u ADC jongkari bhoi kinong tri asha lembat ki weiru di lingba jogani kasngi ulat ka jala ul airu e ka jingkran ka jingi phaliu chumot bat kinong tri ka kot ka khya kum juru ka jingkran bat ki riu pa ba ki badan na ka dispensary ha Umiam.
Thank you, sir.
That the boy is the district who is one of the best in the district.
Etc. and aims at
I welcome all the district officials, the specialists.
Sir, and if possible, if you want to interact with the beneficiaries at a close. Asha workers have they visited her house?
Saluk, sir.
Okay. So nice.
Saluk, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
We believe that your attendance will be a significant contribution to the success of this camp and will inspire all of us to strive for greater excellence in healthcare. Sir, as you all aware, this special program, SNSPA program, was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on the 17th of September 2025 and in our state it was launched by our Honorable Governor Sri C.H. Shankar on the same day at Raj Bhavan. This special program is for the special screening for women and children and screening for anemia, for tuberculosis, for the non-communicable diseases like diabetes, hypertension, oral cancer, cervical cancer, and a program for immunization for all the children. And also there will be stalls for the adolescent children also, sir, for counseling for the mothers, counseling for the adolescent on various issues of health problem or any adolescent problem that they face in their life. So we also have brought from the district hospital specialists who will be providing specialist services to all the people who have gathered here today. And I request all of you to take advantage of this free medical camp that the department has organized today during this 2 weeks of special health campaign that was launched by the Prime Minister. And we request all of you to go to all the stalls so that you will get your testing for anemia or for any other ailments that you may have. Some of you may not be suffering from any ailments at all, but this specialist camp is for you to come for screening so that you'll be able to know your status. If you don't have any problem, that is very good. But if you have like any problem, your problem can be tackled. Treatment can be initiated at this from today itself. So I request all of you to kindly take this opportunity that the government has given this special opportunity for you all to come and take advantage of this camp, so that you will know your health status and any problem that you have will be able to all the counselors, all the doctors, all the specialists will be able to provide you the services that you need for your specific problem. Thank you once again.
अस्वस्थ स्वस्थ मतलब हेल्दी नारी मतलब वुमेन स्वस्थ नारी हेल्दी वुमेन सशक्त परिवार सशक्त मतलब वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग family. If at all you have to see a healthy family, strong family, well-being family, very healthy atmosphere in the family, you have to see happiness within the family, at anybody's home. The first and foremost thing, a nari means woman, she must be healthy at home. She must be healthy at home. If at all you are healthy, you take care of the entire family. You being a lady, you take care of the whole family. If at all you are not happy, your health is not okay, the whole family suffers. Not only yourself, children suffers, family members suffers. They cannot be happy. Your home atmosphere, it also cannot be all right. So Prime Minister decided, a woman, she must be healthy, she must be happy, so that this program being introduced in the entire country, not only to Meghalaya, any disease, any woman is suffering, Government of India is ready to take care of you people. Either heart disease, or cancer, or kidney, or any of the disease. If at all you are suffering, any lady is suffering, medicine is free. You have to undergo checkup before 2nd of October. If at all you undergo with medical checkup, I tell you, medicine is free. Medical checkup is free. Then let whatever amount may be for your treatment, that is also free. Understand? Before 2nd of October, in the sense, what is the date today? 26. And there how many days remains? And there 7 days remains. Am I right? 6 days or 7 days? And there 7 days. 6 days? Only 6 days remaining. Before that, not only you people, you have to tell rest of the other relatives, your family members. You have to tell everybody. You go and take checkup, medical checkup. Everything is free, you need not spend anything.